So earlier in the week we did true duals with high flow cats, X pipe and everything on this 2016 Silverado Z71. Sounded absolutely phenomenal, but due to neighbors complaining too much of how loud and nice it sounds, and we had to put a muffler on it. Hate to say it, but we did. So still got the stock converters, then it's got the X pipe, the high flow cats, and then we put an 11-inch MAGNAFLOW muffler on it right there. And then it's got 2.5 all the way back into 4-inch black tips. He wanted it to tame it a little bit, quieten it down. So it's when he idles through the neighborhood, nobody complains. It's only 11 inches, it's not that big. Took all the fun out of it, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Junior.
Still got the noise, but not as good as before. But it's okay.
Hey, we got the fours.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll always remember her
Yeah.
as she was.
As she was. Before the damn neighbors got involved. His main complaint was it's too loud when he's driving idle, so it's quiet when he warms it up in the morning. It'll be quiet. You don't really hear it. As you guys can tell, you can barely hear it. That's what that 11-inch muffler will do.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.